Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this question, we're going to talk about substitution method with decimal places. As you can see on this simultaneous equation, you can actually see that these are decimal places. So when you are dealing with simultaneous equation with the decimal places and you want to solve by substitution, decimal places you only multiply either by 10, by 100 or by 1,000, like what I've done here. So now it means you come up with an equation which end up like 2x plus 5y is equals to 20, and same goes here. We have 4x plus this should be negative here. This should be negative, and here we get negative 4x. Same goes here. We get 3y is equals to negative 14. So now, when we are creating a substitution method, let us use substitution for this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Let us use equation 1. So on equation 1, let us make y subject of the formula 20 minus 2x. So y is equals to 20 minus 2x all over 5. So in this case, we are going to take equation 2 to come up with the quantity of x. Plus 3y is equals to minus 14. So we are going to say 4x plus 3 bracket 20 minus 2x all over 5 bracket equals to minus 14. Then we're going to multiply both sides by 5. Both sides by 5. Both sides by 5. Then we cancel here. Then we are remaining with the minus 20x plus 3 bracket of 20 minus 2x bracket is nothing but 70, negative 70. If that is the case, then we'll have an equation 2x plus 60 minus 3 minus 6x is equals to minus 70. Then we collect like terms. Minus 20x minus 6x is equals to minus 70 minus 60. Here we get nothing but minus 26 is nothing but minus 130. If that is the case, we divide both sides by a negative 26. A negative 26. We cancel here and here. X is nothing but here into here, 3, 4, 5 here. So we get a positive 5 for the value of x. So if x is equals to 5, then we just go here and just say y is equals to 20 minus 2 times 5 all over 5. So y is equals to 20 minus 10 all over 5. Y is nothing but 10 over 5, which gives us the value of y equals to 2, positive. Therefore, on this substitution method with the decimal places, x is equals to 5 and y is nothing but 2. So this is how we solve questions like this when they come with the decimal place. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.